Dear students, in unit number 4, today's topic is Swabhav or natural characteristics. The participation or usefulness of an order in the nature is referred to as natural characteristic or Swabhav. So, the natural characteristics or Swabhav in the different four orders of the nature can be charted as order, material order. Swabhav is composition or decomposition. Pranic order, that is plant order. Composition or decomposition plus nurture or portion. Animal order, composition or decomposition and nurture or portion in body, and non-cruelty, cruelty in I or self. In human order, the natural characteristic is composition or decomposition and nurture or portion in body, and perseverance, dheerta, bravery and generosity in I. Now we come to the differences and similarities between animal order and the human order. So these are some points on which we are going to differentiate or similarize the two orders. Order, things, activity, innateness, natural characteristics, basic activity and conformance. Number 1, animal order. Things are animal and birds. Activities are composition or decomposition, respiration in body plus selection in I, innateness, existence plus growth in body and will to live in I. Natural characteristics, composition or decomposition and nurture or portion in body and non-cruelty and cruelty in I. Basic activity, recognizing fulfillment in body and assuming recognizing fulfillment in I, and the conformance is breed conformance. Now we come to the human order. Things are human being. Activities are composition, decomposition, respiration in body and selection, thought, desire in I. Now the innateness, existence plus growth in body and will to live with happiness in I. Natural characteristics, composition, decomposition and nurture portion in body and perseverance, bravery and generosity in I. Now the basic activities, recognizing fulfillment in body and knowing, assuming, recognizing and fulfillment in I. And finally conformance, right values or sanskar conformance. Thank you.